Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create Google Map to give your audience easy to search for your location on Google. If you have restaurant, shop, company, or if you have another online support service, then Google Map should be very important to you. So now, I will show you how to create your location map on Google. So let's start it. First, go to install Google Map from your Play Store or your App Store. For me, I have installed it already, so I see Update button. But if you are not yet installed this app, then you will see Install button, then just click Install. And after the installation finished, let's open the app. The first opening, you will see like this, but just go to change the map type to make it more easier to find location. Just change the type to satellite mode. Then what to do next step? Click on Contribute. Then click on Add Place. Then give your location name. You might use your shop name, your restaurant name, or your company name. And it's very important because your audience will use this name to search for your location on Google Map. Then select your category. Choose one. What kind of your place? For me, I choose university. Then click on a black circle to automatically complete your address. Then click on the map to set it on your location. And here, you have to put the red point on a place that you want to create Google Map. And after you put the point in the right place, then click OK to save your map. Then click on Add More Details to set up day that your place close or which day that your place open. Click on Edit Hours to set up your time open or close for your place. For me, I select 24 hours and open every day because I am a freelancer, work for online service, and I have teamwork information technology supporters for 24 hours. So I select Open 24 hours and open every day for my location. And after you select your time, then click Save. And here, if you have phone number or website, then you can provide it here to give your audience more easy to contact you. Then click Add Photos to your Google Map. It should be your logo or your picture that make your audience easy to recognize your place. And after you completed your Google Map information, then just click Submit. And after you submit, Google will review your request, then the Google will email you within a few minutes. After a few minutes later, I have received one mail from the Google. The Google informed me that my request addition Google Map has accepted, and my map location will be appearing on Google within 24 hours. Then after 3 hours later, I'm trying to search for my location on Google Map. Then boom, as you can see, now my location has appeared on Google Map as well, and all my audiences can search for my place on Google as well too. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and kindly subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned with our new video. Thanks and bye for now.